What up, people? I got y'all right here on the 4 hourly. It's been about a week since I last update y'all on this. But y'all know when y'all see me, it's very important because we're at a crunch time scenario right now. So as I showed y'all before, it's a nice pattern that formed right here on the 4 hourly. But this is when you gotta figure out if the pattern is going to go through or not. It's usually the first level right here. It's this cup and handle right here. Once we test this area, because we're gonna test this area 2 more times to break through. Or we may just continue to drop right now. Because at this point in time, we have the S&P, well basically the stock market and the crypto market. It's all at the exact same point right here. It's about to fall off the table or take one more move up and then we going to fall off the table regardless of the fact. But right now, if we break below this 50 EMA and especially we break below this low right here, which is at, I'll say, 11,240 to keep it simple. We break below that, we're definitely going down and we can't rebound from that. And then we're going to that next level that I mentioned in my previous video. Zoom out, see I see a little better. Because I was initially thinking, if it do actually break out, we'll hit this for level 2 and then level 3 with the peak, be the actual peak formation, tap in this area or just below it, and then we'll reverse and continue our way down to the next level. But like I just mentioned, we may not even break through just because the rest of the markets is at the exact same point. Zoom out a little bit on the weekly. See on the weekly, our next level is right here. Sitting at, I'm going to keep it simple, at 9,600, right? And you can see basically this is where the previous resistance was. This is why I believe now it'll be a support. But we're going to still continue our way down. Don't get me wrong. I'm just saying this is where it's going to slow down at. I'm going to take off this drawing. So boom, as y'all can see, we try to come back above this 100 EMA. Boom, got rejected. And we're already starting, below that close of that candle. Which means this thing can easily drop down. And like I mentioned before, 1, 2, it's already 2 drops on the weekly chart. So we can easily, continue our way on down just because that's an actual 3rd drop on the weekly. And that's what's about to happen. Excuse me, to go back and then turn on the drawing. So boom. And as y'all can see, that's the next level. And the level after this, right, I believe will be around the 200 EMA. This is when they're going to fake everybody out to make you think that they just came down and hit the 200 EMA on the weekly, right? And then reversal markets. That's what they want you to think. But let me zoom out a little farther. See, I got you on the monthly. The real low will be around $3,500 that I have. Actually, to be complete, But, I have a line around here. So anyway, let me go all the way back. Boom. As you can see, this is basically previous resistance right here. This is why I believe this should be the low. It should be the low if you look at how the way the charts go. And also, as you can see, it'll be the 3rd tap. 1, 2. It'll be the 3rd time hitting this 100 EMA on the monthly chart. So that's what I'm expecting. At least at the 100 EMA. But it's going to continue on down all the way back to where it started, just like the rest of the markets. But as I mentioned before, they're trying to turn everything digital. So, I wouldn't be surprised if the stock market disappeared. Just throwing it out there. But anyways, anything I just said is not financial advice at all. Y'all growing, y'all make your own decisions. But like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.